Hey everyone, so now we have the data and we know how much your Social Security benefits will increase in 2025. I'm going to go straight into that number because that's what you came here for, but also I want to answer some of the big questions that I'm always asked about this annual adjustment, because often when we just announce the annual adjustment, it brings up a host of additional questions. So I'm going to get into that, but for now, the big number. In 2025, the cost of living adjustment will be 2.5%. Now, this increase is going to become effective in December, so the first check with the increased amount is going to be paid in January. Now, before I get to the questions that I'm asked all the time, you also need to know that coming right on the back of this video, I'm going to be releasing a video talking about the new 2025 earnings limit and working in retirement. And then as we get more of the data out from the average wage index, we'll be covering all of the other annual changes as well. So if you want to see those videos, you need to hit that subscribe button and click on that notifications bell if you haven't already. Oh, and one other thing, within the next few weeks, I'm going to be updating my cheat sheet. This is the 10th year. It's hard to believe that we've made this cheat sheet, and it's gotten bigger and better every year because of your feedback. Now, the 2025 version of the cheat sheet includes some key retirement planning information, such as your retirement account limits, tax brackets, the RMD information, standard deductions, your Medicare premiums based on income. And it also has a lot of the Social Security details like the for retirement age, the spousal and survivor benefits, the earnings limit, and the taxation of those benefits. Now, look, if you're already on my email list, you don't have to download this again because you're going to get it automatically. But if you're not on my email list, the easy way to get added is just to download the 2024 version of the cheat sheet, and you can find that link down in the description. And then as soon as I update it for the 2025 numbers, I'll be sure and send that one out to you. Now, here are the questions that I'll be covering today. What benefit does the COLA apply to? Do you have to be receiving benefits to get the cost of living adjustment? At what age does the COLA start applying to Social Security benefits? So let's jump into the first one here. So what benefits does the COLA apply to? Well, the cost of living adjustment will increase retirement benefits, disability benefits, survivor benefits, and SSI. Effectively, if the Social Security Administration is responsible for paying it, the annual cost of living benefit will be applied and increase that monthly amount that you're receiving. Now, the next big question is, do you have to be receiving benefits to get the cost of living adjustment? Now, technically, we can answer that question along with answering the question about what age does the COLA start applying to Social Security benefits, because the Social Security Administration makes this crystal clear in one very easy to read piece, big surprise, I know, that says that you're eligible for cost of living benefit increases starting with the year you turn age 62. This is true even if you don't get benefits until your full retirement age or even age 70. So the easy way to remember this is that the first cost of living adjustment that's going to become effective for you is the one announced in the year you turn 62. Now, one last thing. If you like this kind of content, you're going to love my podcast, Big Picture Retirement. This is where we get into more depth, not just about Social Security, but cover the big picture of all the stuff you need to know about retirement, from investing to taxes to estate planning. And you can find that podcast just about anywhere that you listen to podcasts. And when you go there, be sure to hit the follow or subscribe button so you're going to be notified when a new episode is released. And that's generally about once a week on Mondays is when we release episodes. So once again, stay tuned for the video coming out in the next day or so that's going to cover the earnings limit for 2025. And if you don't want to miss that and the other videos coming about the upcoming changes to Social Security, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notifications bell. Thanks so much for watching.